fellow collectors. Today we're going to be talking about 30 years of McFarlane Toys. Here we have Hellspawn. So this Spawn is coming with a nice looking gun here, and we have this muted colored Spawn. So on this side we have a little bit of artwork from the comic book. On the back we can actually see this figure was released in 2007, and it was based on the artwork of Hellspawn issue number 5. So let's go ahead and put him on the scale. Turn it on and put him on, and see that he is coming in at 14.2 ounces. So let's get him off the scale and out of the box.
Hey, open, damn it! Open!
Okay, now that we have him out of the box, we'll look at the card first. Here we have the card. Very nice looking artwork with 30 years of Spawn. Here we have the explanation of the figure. So very, very cool. Now this Spawn is definitely a throwback to the older days. That it is definitely a nice looking Spawn figure. So let's get in closer and get a closer look. So the Spawn is coming in right at 7 inches. The back here is coming in just at 7 1/8 inches. He does come with the one accessory here, this gun. You can see the front of it has 3 holes. The back has this extra handle. But it is just simply to insert into the Spawn's hand here. And he does have a rotation here at this glove. The arm does not move up, but this one does move forward and back. So if he wanted to, he could hold it in this hand or hold it just in this hand or fall down. But the way that the package art shows this figure, and he does have boots with holes in them for the stand. Just simply take the weapon, move it on over here, and he can clasp on to the weapon just like the comic book cover. So this is a good addition to a Spawn collector's shelf. This is the 30-year anniversary of the Hellspawn. So here he is with the Commando Spawn. And let me go ahead and get him on a different stand because he keeps coming off of that one. And then here he is with the Al Simmons Spawn from issue number 311. You can see how they will look on your shelf together. Definitely cool additions to anyone's Spawn shelf. So these toys are currently on Todd McFarlane, our McFarlaneToyStore.com. So remember to head on over there before they're sold out completely. Like, subscribe, and keep collecting.